Hello, so today I am going to be showing off a program that I am making along with a friend. We're making it with both of our companies. My friend's company is Derpy Face Development Co. and my company is Dog Face Development Co. The name of the program is CraftClash, and it is a combination between Minecraft and Clash of Clans. Yeah, so right now we are currently in version 0.0.3 beta, and this program is available on GitHub, so I will put the link where you can download it and try it out yourself. There's not much that's ready right now, but yeah. So this is our main screen right here. We have the logo right here, play button, options button, and about button. Right now, none of those buttons actually work because we have a bug that causes all the windows to open automatically, which we don't want. So right now they don't actually work, but they will soon. And because this is only version 3, we've completed the welcome screen, which is this screen, the options screen, and the about screen. So those two will be the only buttons that'll work. We haven't done the play screen. We'll probably start working on that on version 0.0.5, and because the next version 0.0.4 will be a documentation version. So yeah, so none of these buttons work. They'll just close it, so I'm not going to close it, but I will show you now. This is our about window. So here you can see the about page. So it says, welcome to the about page, where you can read the license and find more about the software. It tells you where it's, how it's copyrighted, what license it's under. You can read the license, and then it also tells you how to find it on GitHub. Really? Yep. And so here, this is the option screen. So basically, you can change volume of the game, volume of the music, and then you can choose your difficulty. Right now, all the buttons are filled in for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I will work on that. And then you can change your game tag. So when I type in, let's say I want my game tag, and I press change game tag, it says thank you for changing your game tag to that. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching this. Hope you liked it. That's all the two screens that we have. I hope you like them. Remember, I will show you where to get the code on GitHub, but next I will show you also what the code looks like if you'd like to see what it looks like. So yeah, I'll show that to you next. Hello, we are back again here, and now we're looking at the code that runs CraftClash. So right here, basically the comments explain it, and because it is open source, that's why I'm showing it to you. So basically right here, we import what we need to import. We make a window. Here, title it. The title of the window is CraftClash, and make the background blue. Then here, we put the image at the very front. This tells it that the title image is that image. Then we actually put the image on the window, put in the 3 buttons here, and as you can see right now their command is exit because it's not working yet. And we put the copyright label in here that tells about the copyright, and then we tell them where to go on the window, and then we tell the window to keep itself working. Now moving on to the options screen. It's basically the same thing. We import what we need to import here. Create the window. Title it options for the CraftClash. This is for the game tag edit. So if the game tag needs to be edited, like if you want to change it, this tells you that tells the computer that needs to create a box that says name changed completed successfully. Thank you for changing it to whatever it is. So this gets it from the input right here, down here. Yep. Sorry. And then, so you get the title label here. Tells you welcome to the options screen. Then you have the sliders here for the volume, slider here for the music. Then you have the difficulty for any things here. Here you have your game tag thing. It changes it here, the whole entire thing. Here's where everything gets packed onto the window, so where it gets put, and then the window, keeping the window alive. Now to the about screen. It's basically the same thing. They're all basically the same thing. Since the About screen doesn't have very much, it's basically just the same. So create a window under the function. That way it can be called when we press the button. That's the same thing as for the options screen, because we don't want it to appear right away, like I said before. Then create a and then title the window About CraftClash. Put the label here that tells you about the software. Put the project license button here, and then the button for the access license, so that way you can view it. Main label here, and project license and the access license here. And window.main loop keeps the window open, sustains it. Yeah, so thanks for watching this little thing about how CraftClash was made and the code that runs it, and I hope you liked it. So yeah, thanks for watching. And don't forget